Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making black pepper chicken with squash and mushrooms. So let's get started. Let's begin with reviewing the ingredients here. I have a boneless and skinless chicken thigh meat. This is oyster mushrooms, wood ears, garlic, Mexican zucchini, yellow bell pepper, onion, cornstarch slurry, chicken broth, seasoning salt, black pepper, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, soy, and hoisin sauce. For the prep, let's start with cutting the chicken. We'll do a medium cube on it. So next, let's marinate the chicken. Adding some of the seasoning, salt, sesame oil, soy sauce, and the Shaoxing wine. We'll mix this up. Okay, so let this sit and marinate for at least 15 minutes. We'll put this aside. Okay, so next let's mince the garlic. Okay, that's done. Next, let's cut the oyster mushrooms. We'll just cut them in half for the smaller ones, or in thirds. And I don't mind leaving some of the stem on. Okay. And for the wood ear mushrooms, cut the larger pieces in half. There we go. Okay, and we have, let's see, the bell pepper. We'll core and seed it. And we'll just cut it into medium dice. Same with the onion, we'll do a medium dice. There we go. And for the Mexican squash, we'll trim the top and a little bit of the end. Cut it in half and in half once again. And we'll do a medium cube on it. So that's in half and half again, and keep it. Now all the prep is done. We'll just wait another 10 minutes for the chicken to finish marinating, and we can start cooking. Okay, so let's start cooking here. I have my pan set at a medium-high heat. Let's add the oil, and the first thing we're going to do is pre-cook the chicken. And stir-fry this for a couple minutes. Okay, so that's done. Let's remove it from the pan. Okay, I gave the pan a quick wash and rinse, so let's dry it out. Next, let's cook the zucchini, onions, and bell peppers. Heat is still on at medium-high. We'll add half the amount of garlic. Let's add the onion and bell peppers. Add the Mexican squash. And the Mexican squash, it has a really mild flavor. You see the flesh is a little whiter and it's going to be sweeter than the zucchini. Add a little bit of the seasoning salt. So stir fry this for about a minute. And this is done. Let's remove it from the pan. Give the pan another quick wash and rinse. Pan is still at medium high. We'll add the oil and the other half of the minced garlic. We're going to cook the mushrooms. Add a little bit of the seasoning salt in the oil. Stir fry this for about 30 seconds. And we're going to return the zucchini mix and the chicken. We're going to add Shaoxing wine, black pepper, and depending on how spicy you like the chicken, you can add more. Hoisin sauce, add a bit of the chicken stock. Give it a quick taste. We'll add the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce up. Give this a couple of toss. Okay, and this is done. Let's serve it. Okay, so let's plate this. And with the black pepper, if you like it spicier, just add more when you're stir frying. And this is delicious over a bowl of rice. And here we have a savory dish of stir-fried black pepper chicken with squash and mushrooms. The chicken is tender, the squash is sweet, with a little hint of spice from the black pepper. You'll love it. Enjoy! Let's see if Shell likes it. Oh, yummy. She loves chicken. Thank you for watching, everyone. Eat well and be healthy. See you next time. Good girl.